This is Mike, Jay, and Scotty out in Horseshoe Bay, Texas. We're installing solar screens on this beautiful home behind us. We're using 3M's industrial strength snap and lock Velcro system to attach these in order to maintain the window warranty for this customer. This is the 3M snap and lock dual lock Velcro. So we attach one side to the screen, one side to the window. It locks in place, and the hotter it gets, the more it sticks. Down here we've cut 1-inch squares to apply to the frame of the solar screen before we attach to the window. We're cleaning the back of the screen frame with 91% alcohol to remove debris and contaminants so that the snap lock sticks very well. All right, so we got Jay up here wiping the window frame clean with 91% alcohol so that our snap lock Velcro will adhere to the window frame. The hotter it gets, the better the Velcro sticks. And again, we're doing this so as not to void the window warranty. We have a window screen that we've already placed the Velcro strips on. Each one of these strips will hold 100 pounds of weight per square inch. So right now we are installing our 3M snap lock Velcro, the dual lock, very strong. We're going to put one at each corner on this square solar screen.
We're going to remove the sticky backing so that the Velcro will stick to the window frame.
If you like what you've seen here today, give us a like, leave any comments in the section down below. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you like.